Welcome, today for the Pixel Redmi Note 11 and I'll show you how to create home screen folders on this device. So first you should hold for a while the application and drag this application to another one. And as you can see here, we got the new device folder. We can here rename the folder by click once on the name and enter the apps, for example, then just click here to OK. And now when we'll go back, we can see that our folder renamed successfully. By the same way, we can add here one more application, hold for a while and drag it to the folder. This folder we can move here on the screen, just hold for a while and drag it, for example, here to this down section. We can move the folder between the screens, or also we can create the new screen for this folder. This can see that's really simple. And if you want to just remove the one application from this folder and you want to stay with this app on the home screen, just hold for a while and drag it here to home screen. But if you want to just stay with this app and if you want to just stay with only one application here into the folder, you can just remove the second application from here. But if you want to just remove the folder, you should ungroup all of these applications and move them here on your home screen. So that's it. Thank you for watching, and if you find this video helpful, don't forget to leave a like, comment and to subscribe our channel.